Two things we are not doing in 2025: giving our time to people who don't deserve it, and struggling to lay out units. Now, I know there's a lot of vendors out here selling glueless units, so it kind of makes it hard to know which one to trust. That's why when I find a vendor that makes a quality unit, oh, best believe I'm loyal, baby. Look at this one, for example. This one went straight out the box to straight on my head. Just gave it a little touch up and go. No skill required. I'm back with another banger. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this unit, the pros and the cons. I'll show you an easy curling method, and be sure to stay tuned to the end because I will be providing a 1-month update. That's how we stay up. How we up, but you stay down. Okay, so this unit is from Myfirstwig, and y'all already know that Myfirstwig units come ready to install. It's pre-cut, pre-plucked. The knots are bleached to perfection, and you're gonna get that high quality Swiss lace, and you're also going to get an ample amount of parting space. So let me show you guys how easy it is to install this unit. Okay, so this comes with the adjustable elastic band in the back. So that means that you can easily wear this unit glueless. Lace is looking good. Okay, so this unit has this little money piece color in the front. It's nice and subtly done. It's not too much, just to give you a little like bam. And there's also some color throughout. I'll show you that more in a minute. Let's get this part straight. Okay, so that's what I love about Myfirstwig. You're gonna get enough parting space so you can change it from a middle part to a side part easy peasy. And if you're a right side part girl, you can make that part on the right side, whatever floats your boat. The versatility is there. Oh, I like this color. It's cute. Y'all see how it got like the highlights throughout? Let me style it real quick so that it look a little like something, and then I'm gonna really show you what it look like. First and foremost, for all my beginner wig wearers, the first thing you want to do when you get a unit is always, 1, get you a hot comb if you don't have it. 2nd, flatten the top of that unit. Take your time when you do this, okay? This is going to make all the difference between your unit looking laid. Trust me. So this wig I like because it already has layers. Y'all know I love a good layered unit. It has layers throughout. Let me go ahead and stand up. And the color. Look at these blonde highlights mixed with the brown. I think it was really nicely done. I'm gonna turn around so you can see what it looks like before I add the curls, just so you can get the full scope of how they color this unit. Okay, so now I'm gonna just throw, I don't know, I'm torn right now. Kind of like it straight, and I'm not really much of a straight hair girl, but this is kind of cute. Let's go ahead and add a couple curls just for heck of it. Now, before I throw some curls in this hair, I'm gonna apply my melting band, and I'm gonna hit the roots of this unit in the area where the hair is blonde with my touch-up dye and spoolie, just to make the part a lot more visible. Okay, so there's 2 ways to curl the front of your hair. If you want to have more of a loose curl in the front, you want to curl it towards the front. But if you want to have more of a swoop, you want to curl it towards the back. So I was going for the swoop, so I did curl it towards the back. But I did not want to have tight curls in this hair. So if you don't want tight curls, you want to curl it and then you want to let it go. You don't want to hold it with the curling iron. Now, if you want a tighter curl, once you roll the curl in the curling iron, you want to hold it for like 10 seconds, and that's going to give you a really nice tight curl. Most of the time when I'm curling my hair, I'm always curling towards the back. That's just how it goes. It all ends up looking good in the end. And when I do this little like bump in the front, I'll take my big barrel curling iron and I just kind of like push it flat across the front and then push the hair over it. And that gives it that little like hump in the front, if you can kind of visually see what I'm trying to explain.
Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah.
Okay, dolls, so I recorded the ending of that video when I originally filmed it, but for some reason the ending was muted. So since this video hasn't launched, I decided to give you guys a 1-month update instead. So you guys already saw how easy it was to install this unit. That still remains the same. I will say that because this hair has some blonde in it, you want to be sure to keep some type of moisture in the hair. You don't really want to put like product on it because it's going to make it heavy and weigh it down, but you want to keep it, at least spray some sheen on it maybe every 4 days or something, just to keep it moisturized to tend to the blonde. Now initially when I comb through the hair, it does give a little snagging, so I thought it was going to be like a unit that tangles, but I actually haven't had any issues with it tangling. And I've washed this hair already 2 times. I've been wearing this unit down. Like, I absolutely love it. Initially, when I did the install, I thought I would sell it, but yeah, no, I'm gonna have to keep this one. I think it really goes great with my complexion. And like I mentioned earlier, I really love the way that they colored this unit. I think it's beautiful. My original thoughts for this unit still remains the same. And it's just kind of good to know, like, just to give you guys a confirmation. But I've been working with Myfirstwig for some years now, so they are one of my favorite vendors, and that still remains the same. So guys, as always, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I'm going to have everything linked in the description box down below. And if you have any additional questions, as always, feel free to leave a comment down below. But before we get out of here, I'm going to need y'all help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And while you're at it, go ahead and check out some of these other videos. You might find them helpful as well. And if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, hit that subscribe button before you leave. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.